Okay, so to do this glass effect, you need a glass overlay, which I have here. I got it off Google. You can use anything that you want. Just drag it into your composition and resize it and position it to where you want it to be. And then I'm going to turn down the opacity so that I can see the image behind it. And this effect basically, to work, it needs a layer that the displacement map effect can distort. So this is what these next steps are for. So you want to create solids of varying shades of gray. So to start with, I'm going to create one that's like a dark gray, like this. And I'm going to mask out like one shard of the glass. Something like this. I'm going to do it really roughly since this isn't for an edit or anything. And then I'm going to create another solid that's a lighter shade of gray. And you basically repeat this until you've filled in all of the shards. So I'll probably end up speeding this up. Okay, so once all of that is done, you just need to pre-comp all of the solids that you just made for the glass. And then you can hide this layer and then also hide the glass layer that you used originally. And I'm going to add motion tile onto the image below. So create a new adjustment layer using Ctrl-Alt-Y and then add the displacement map effect onto it. I'll reset this to 0 and 0, and then make sure your displacement map layer is set to the pre-comp that you just made with all the solids. And then I'm going to keyframe horizontal displacement for this, but you can do vertical if that fits your effect better. I'll just do something like this. So you can see it's coming together. And then to finish off this effect, I like to show the original glass image overlay that I used and just key out the black background behind it. And then use a Luma key to reveal it when the displacement map starts to play. So it looks something like this usually. And then to make this look a bit cleaner, if you don't like how it's like kind of grayed out, you can also turn up the tolerance and then add a fill layer on top of it so that it's fully white. And that's how you get the broken glass effect.